Start. In the present case, the additional chief secretary was summoned along with the record full stop. Today, he is present in court along with the record and with his assistance as well as assistance of the counsels for parties. Record is perused full stop. Learned Standing Counsel also could not show from the record of the case that the procedure as prescribed under Rule 7 of Rules of 1999 is followed in conducting the inquiry, and any date, time, and place was fixed for evidence or evidence relied upon oblique summoned was provided to the petitioner full stop. Paragraph. Though the matter is simple as it is to be remanded back, but in large number of cases filed before this court, it is found that the inquiry with regard to major penalty is conducted in violation of Rule 7 of Rules of 1999 full stop. The present case is a glaring example of the same full stop. Inquiry officer is a special secretary and the punishing authority is a principal secretary full stop. Still, a glaring error is committed in conduct of the inquiry by the inquiry officer and in failure to check the same by the punishing authority before punishment order was issued full stop. It is not merely the duty of the inquiry officer to comply with the Rule 7 but also the duty of the punishing authority while passing order of punishment to ensure that the inquiry is conducted as per the procedure prescribed full stop. Such mistakes in large numbers are occurring for quite some time now in the state full stop. The state government as far back as on 22/4/2015 issued a detailed government order explaining at length the manner in which inquiry with regard to minor punishment or major punishment should be conducted full stop. Paragraph. Since these incidences are abundant in number, therefore, this court finds it necessary now to ensure that every inquiry officer who at present is conducting an inquiry or appointed to conduct any inquiry in future is provided proper training with regard to the manner and procedure for conducting the inquiry full stop. Similarly, the disciplinary authorities are also required to go through a training with regard to the manner in which the inquiries are to be conducted and thereafter punishment orders are to be passed full stop. It goes without saying that the power exercised by the inquiry officers are quasi judicial in nature and for the same a judicially trained mind is required full stop. The state government is already having a judicial training and research institute under bracket JTRI which trains educates the officers of the state government on the legal compliances procedures full stop. Paragraph. Therefore, Director JTRI Lucknow is directed to forthwith prepare an appropriate program for training of the inquiry officers as well as for training of the disciplinary authorities so that such mistakes are not repeated full stop. The JTRI shall also issue an appropriate identifiable certificate to every officer after he/she completes the training session full stop. The relevant details of the said training session oblique certificates shall be referred by the officer concerned in every inquiry report submitted by him oblique her or punishment order passed full stop. All the officers who are conducting any inquiry at present in the state shall attend the training without any delay, and such inquiry officers shall conclude their inquiries only after their training is completed full stop. Similarly, the punishing authority shall also go through the required training before passing any punishment order and also refer to their session certificate full stop para. It is further directed that no inquiry officer in future shall be appointed for departmental inquiry who has not received the training from the JTRI full stop. The state government shall bear the cost of the forced training at JTRI at its own cost full stop. ये टोटल वर्ड आपका है 600 वर्ड है और डिक्टेशन की जो स्पीड रखी गई थी वो 100 और 110 के बीच की रखी गई है। आप टाइम देख सकते हैं 600 वर्ड का डिक्टेशन था और 110 के ऊपर डिक्टेशन